Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to another video on my art channel. I usually makes a lot of the vlogs, but today video I'm gonna be showing you my art studio. Now I have the two art studio. One is in my living room, that is my bedroom, and another one I have in the upstairs, the art studio. And I'm gonna be showing you both these one in two separate videos because one will comprise the one video and another one going to comprise the one video. So in the part one of this video, that is today is the part one, I'm gonna be showing you the art studio, the things that I have in my living room, in my bedroom, the things I have in my bedroom. I'm gonna be showing you that part of my art studio. That is the part one, and I'm gonna be making the part two as well in the next week. That I'm gonna be showing you my art studio that is in the upstairs. That would be the part two of my realistic art studio tour. So this one is a part one because this was in the bedroom, and that one would be the upstairs, completely lit up with the mornings and with the sun and all the stuff. So that is the part two. So let's dive into today's video. Before we go part, consider clicking the like button, guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing. I'm gonna upload more videos, so whenever I do so, you'll be get notified about it. So let's dive in with today's art studio tour, part one. It's look like this somewhat. And yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you. First of all, you can see I have the different kinds of stuff on my table itself. This is my working table. The miniatures that I made recently, I kept it all my table, although I can kept in my circular area, but I love them, so I kept it on my area as well. Now this one is my case. These are some brushes, like I kept like brushes like this only. This is my special solution for making my own colors, which I use. Now this one is a piece of the art on my craft channel. Like I just decorated this thermocol piece that I got from the market. This one is the coaster, that the glass coaster. I have already made a video for my craft channel. I've used the colors. These are the colors and these are the acrylic sets. This is the stuff is there, and these is a pen holder. You could see my pen holder. Like this pen I rarely use, but I kept like because it's so fancy. That's kind of like a more messy. Now I'm collecting the colors in that. You could see these are the ashes I'm collecting because I made the colors from the ashes, homemade colors or the handmade colors, whatever you call it. This is my color, guys. I'm gonna show you in a second. What I made, it's kind of like an indigo color. I made it as the handmade, and I kept it in these small containers to hold it to actually use it. Now this is my laptop, guys. This is my laptop. Okay, and this is the last thing I made recently for my home decor videos. I made this butterfly using this paper. It was my sketchbook. I just took this paper out from that sketchbook. It was having the orange colored sketchbook, and this one I made as a general bullet journal paper for my craft channel. And these are my earpods. This is my separate spare phone, which I don't use it. Now this one is my diary. All the secret things are there, guys. And this one is a really funny part of my desk. You could see this one I made the clay on the paper. I really love this particular eye. Now this one is the piece that I made recently. I kept it all on my table itself, although I made it recently. This one I made it recently, and all those artworks. I'm gonna be making this video for this one. I haven't made it so far, but these are some artworks that I made. I kept it like that only. I need to make it like I need to arrange them, and you could see the below them are the watercolor textures. These are also kept like that only. I have my sketchbook. Like I'm gonna be making a separate video showing you guys my sketchbook because I have the two sketchbook. This one is the sketchbook I have, let me show, in which I made this particular Christmas bell. I'm gonna be showing you this sketchbook as well. So I have the two sketchbooks. Now before that I was just making into the piece of paper, so at that time I wasn't having the sketchbook, but now I have this kind of sketchbook. Another thing, guys, I want to show you is, now this one is a CD that I made for my craft channel. I decorated this old CDs. Now the bunch of the artworks are there, which I have made, and below is my pad on which I make the drawings and all those kind of stuff because I made it on piece of paper a lot. These are the artworks. I kept it in the poly bag. Now I know, see, and all the artworks I kept like that. I'm gonna be making a separate video showing you all of my artworks that I made in the past 2 to 3 years because I made a lot of the artwork since I started with working on my businesses. And guys, I want to show you, I made this particular flower from the fabric, and I made it for my own channel. For my it has the 2 drawers, guys. Now there's a bunch of the charges are there for my phones because I have the 2 phone, My mom also charges sometimes over here. Now this one is a little bit cracky, guys. I want to show you what's there inside that backpack in a second. Now you could see this this box is from the Amazon, because I've ordered something in the online from the Amazon and I got it from there, but it doesn't have the things related to the Amazon. It has something really special. Let me show you what that is. It has this particular color chart. Now what this color chart is, guys, let me show you. This is my favorite set ever, the Korean markers brush marker. I have an entire set and I keep it in this box because it's separate. This section is for my brushes and this box is for my brush markers. Now this one set I got. Now Korean markers is not sponsoring this video, guys, but I love this Korean markers. I really love them. These are the complete set of my brush markers. These are the watercolor based brush markers. I do have a permanent one as well. I'm going to be showing you in a second. So this one is a box. I kept it like below my table. I keep this polythene over here. Why? Because I sometimes work with my clay on the table and it's a wooden table, so it need not to be covered with the clay. So that's why I kept this one, and I kept my laptop over here. This is my laptop, guys. Let me show you my laptop. I put the paper inside it because the screen won't get upside down. Let me just show you. So this is my laptop, guys. It's an HP laptop. I really love it. It's amazing. It works amazing fine for me. No issues so far. So yeah, that's kind of stuff I work. Let me show you two drawers, guys, which are really exciting, and these are quite messy. Now you could see this one is the first drawer. Now this one is the box that I used to have in my school days. Like, it's a car, it's a mini bus kind of like stuff. And if I open it, you could see a bunch of the stuffs over here. This is the lead pencils, like in the, I guess, yeah. Then the sponge is there. I kept it as a sponge. This pen. Now what is this pen? Let me show you. Let me just open it and show you what this pen is all about. So it has a opening. The pen that I opened, guys, is a stylus for my digital artwork. Now I bought it from the Amazon for the few bucks. I bought it quite cheap because at that time I was about to start with the digital artwork and I wasn't really having any experience in the digital art. So I really wanted cheap one because I thought that if I'm having a cheap one, I can practice it and then I can buy the expensive one, or maybe Apple Pencil and all that kind of stuff. But it works pretty amazing, pretty fine, and I'm pretty happy with that. You can see the point is not clean because I've used a lot on my mobile phone as well, and also for my laptop and tablet and all this kind of stuff. So it's quite amazing. It worked pretty fine for me. It's kind of like having a cover. I can place a cover on that with a screw and it can protect my the point of this particular stylus. But it's really amazing piece and I really love that. So I kept it over here, guys, but I just forget to show you. So let me keep it like over here only and show you the other things. Google. This one is my lip balm or lipstick, whatever you call it. I keep it over here. I keep it in my drawer of my art. Yes, I keep it this thing over here. I made it from my handmade because I don't really like the chemicals that come in the different lipsticks. Now this one is the girly kind of stuff, but I kept it over here when I want to use it. I do rarely use it at times when I feel like, that's all. The pen drive is there. There's a micro GB2 pen drive is there. Then some other papers. Now these are the drawing papers with this polythene cap. Like, this is a polythene which I cut from this piece, but I kept it like that if I need anywhere overlay. Now these were the bigger size papers I have. Let me show you guys. Now these are the really big size papers. I have the different kinds of colors. Red is also there, and I think I do have a black as well, or maybe I've used the black paper entirely. So I have the red one over here, and this one is the white drawing paper which I use. I also have this special one. I love this one. This one I was talking about previously, that I'm having a permanent Korean brush markers as well. These are the permanent one. You could see the 10 metallic permanent markers. Now this video is not sponsored by Korean markers, but I really love them. So you could see they have the beautiful shades in the metallic permanent markers. You could see these have the beautiful 10 markers are there, and these are really pretty beautiful. The tip is very amazing. This one is the kind of like a metallic gold. I keep it like, let me show you its tip, guys, because I love that tip. Its tip is kind of like a brush, like you could see clearly. It's kind of like a brush. It's very fine point and it's worked pretty amazing, pretty fine. So let me just keep it like that. Just close it again. So I have the few of the books. I have the few of the books from my school days. Okay, it's just opened up. Showing you. Okay, so this is the one drawer. Let me show you my another drawer. I have the second drawer as well. In this also some spare item is there. Now this one is the school box. Is a cute kitty. I used to love the kitty a lot as a kid, guys. So that's why you could see. Let me just open it. It also has crazy insane things which I have accumulated a lot many times in my life. It has a lot of the pens and a lot of the accessories. Let me not open it because otherwise everything will going to be go like that only. So let me see. This one is the, I think it's the case for my phone to actually clean my phone and laptop, which I kept it over here. These are the bunch of the diary stars, and this is the another box. Another scale is there, a lot more another box is there, then the diaries, and kind of like a another drawing stuff is there. I think this deserves a separate video because I have all my old drawing which I used to make as a kid. It all contained in this diary. So I think I'm gonna make a separate video for this particular thing for showing you as a kid. So let me just close this part. So you can see, guys, this is my table. It's quite messy. It's not cleaned. I kept all the things like that only. It has the two drawers I shown you. Now there is a charger plugged into the cable. You could see the chargers being plugged into the cable, and that was the box in which the brush markers were there. You can see this is my bed, guys. Now this is my bed. I'm not showcasing my bed in this video, but anyways, let me show you. This area is a little bit too like, because the sun is rays are there. I can open the window. Let me show you. Opening a window. It's pretty good. Sun is there in there, and it's quite like foggy over there. The window, guys, because I want to record the video and there was so much noise outside. You could see that this one is the one box is my clay, and I kept the clay. Now it's clay is completely dried, guys. You could see the dried chunks are there because it's the winter time and I'm not working that much on the clay. I have already made a vlogs, but I have from 2 or 3 days I haven't been working on the clay, and I kept the clay like that only. So it's completely dried. If I want to work on, I need to add a water and start working on that. Visible, guys, because the sun rays were coming from the window, that's why it wasn't able to visible. Now this is the terracotta clay, earthenware clay, which I use. It's also almost dried. Container for my water, it's empty. These are the some sandpapers. I kept it over here. Sun rays are there. This is a sandpaper. This is a water container. This is the coaster I made recently. Cute and simple. This is the sponge, and these are the few things I kept it over here. This is the one part of my art studio, guys. I have the two art studio. This is in my living room. This is in my bedroom. Another one is there in the upstairs. So I'm gonna make another video showing you the part 2 of my art studio that is in the upstairs, because in the upstairs a lot more things is there. This is just a small part of my art studio. Upper art studio has a lot of the stuffs. A lot of things is there in the upper one. Different kinds of the clay stuffs, the materials, the spare materials. Also my vision board is also there in the art studio, and a lot of there in the art studio because it's upstairs, because the sun rays comes over there, and I really like the sun rays. I really enjoy the sun rays when it's coming in the morning. It gives me energy and gives me inspiration and creativity to working. Like you could see, guys, the sun rays are there right now coming in from my windows. I'm just, guys, as well, there is, you can see another window is also there where I kept my teddy, and this room is quite lit up. I really love the kind of like the light is coming into my windows. If you enjoyed the part 1 of art studio tour, do let me know your views and your thoughts in the comment section below. What kind of art studio you have? I would really love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe, guys, because I'm going to be making the part 2 of the art studio tour that is there in the upstairs, and I'm going to be showing you my realistic art studio tour that I have in the upstairs in the part 2 particular video in the next week. So thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.